Movie.
Brady, come here. Come here, Brady.
I want to see them interact.
Oh, I was going to try to get him to pose. Are you taping?
That's your uncle, Brady.
It's a boy. Don't get excited. He whacked him in the face.
He did. Brady, be nice.
That's your uncle. Treat him with respect.
Is his tail moving too?
Yeah. Aw.
Give him kisses. Where's his nose?
Where's his nose, Brady? Where's his nose? Get his nose. Be nice to your Uncle Babe.
No, don't whack him.
Isn't it Tom?
Name right now is Babe, but
He's doing it right back.
his tail's wagging.
Like crazy. So thank you. He gave me
His tail wag.
He gave me kisses.